Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today's video I have a special video which is the best makeup of 2021 under rupees 500. So let's go. So if you hear me getting a lisp or just pronouncing the words wrong, is because I have my Invisaligners on right now, Tootsie aligners, and I'm trying to get used to it, so forgive me if I say something wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna go in no particular order because all the makeup is dunked under my lap. So I'm just gonna start with it. So the first one is the Cuffs and Lashes Orange Color Corrector. This is what it is. It comes in a pot like this. Love the packaging of it. It's like diamond shaped, and inside you get it like this. So you know it's not like a tube where you have to squeeze in and excess product comes out. Here you just have to take it and apply it on your face, which is what I love about it. And also it's not like extremely pigmented. It's like semi pigmented, because you know with color correctors you really need to be careful with it. If you apply too much, you'll just look crazy. So yeah, and the price of this is 225 rupees, which I think is such an amazing deal. So I absolutely love this one and I use it very often. Let's talk about primers. This is the Mars Illuminati base primer. This is how it looks. Now I have the shade 01 Gold Beam in it, and this is for 249 rupees. I love how illuminating it is. Also the shimmer particles in this are not like too much. It is minute, very minute. So I love about, you know, this. Look at it. I honestly love this one. Love the packaging, love the price point of it. This is in the shade Gold Beam. Also one of the amazing things is that they have their you know, manufacture date and used before just on here. So love this one. I have also filmed a video of best makeup of 2021, not just under 500. These are, you know, more of the other products which I have loved throughout the year. So if you want, you can definitely check that out. But now let's move on to the foundation. And I know you all are tired of me mentioning the Fit Me, so I have something different than Fit Me. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation. I absolutely love this one. I am in the shade medium 220N. Is it? Yeah, 220N. And this is how it is. I have loved this foundation. This is like medium to full coverage. You need to build it up. It also comes within this applicator. I honestly don't like extremely like this applicator, but it's fine then, you know, pouring the foundation on your back of your hand. So I mean, I have enjoyed using this foundation. I feel like other than Fit Me, this is one of the favorite drugstore or affordable kind of foundations. And the price point of this is 475 rupees. But recently, Nykaa Pink Friday sale was, and some other sale was there, I saw. This one was for 350 rupees or like below 350 rupees, which is very insane. So I mean, I absolutely love this one. Love how it goes with my skin, blends it in really well. Love it. Okay, so let's talk about concealer. You guys might know what I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about Swiss Beauty concealer. This is the liquid concealer. This is for rupees 229 only. Wow, I'm shook. But yeah, honestly, I love this one. This is the shade 03 Moyenne, light Moyenne, and I love it. Like, let me show you one swatch of it. This is extremely hydrating. It's not like extreme full coverage. This does give a slight, you know, medium coverage, but it is also hydrating. It does not make your under eyes go dry as hell. This gives a perfect satin finish look, which is what I love. Amazing for day-to-day use. Now let's move on to the compact. I have two compacts over here. So the first one is the Fit Me compact, which is like this. This is for 199 rupees, I think, and I broke the mirror of it, as you can see. And I'm in the shade Natural Beige, as my Fit Me shade is Natural Beige as well. And this is how it is, and I love this powder. Like, it just gives you the right amount of coverage, I would say. Not too much, not too less. So yeah, I love this one. And the next one which I have is the Mars Compact. This is how it looks. This is their new launch, okay? And this one is for 299 rupees. And you just have to press it like this, and you will get two compacts, okay, like compact 1, compact 2, and if you pull it up you get this sponge kind of thing, and you just have to do like this and apply, and oh my god, I kid you not, This is also like, this just blurs out, okay, blurs out all the lines, all the what can we say, the pores on your face. Like honestly, I love this, and I've reached out to this one so freaking much in this year. Like look how, you know, the packaging is also so beautiful, and this is in the shade, I think this is in the shade 3, and I also had shade number 4, which I gave away to one of you guys. So I mean, I absolutely love this one. Look at it. Let's talk about a eyeshadow palette which is under rupees 500, and this is again from Mars. This is the Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. I feel like most of the products in this video are from Mars because genuinely their products are so freaking good. I honestly love some of their products and I use them genuinely. Now this is for rupees 249, which is amazing, and this is in the variant Soft Glam. Now if you open it, you get these amazing like pinkish tones, orangish, and some shimmers as well. It also comes with a mirror, so it's really great to, you know, apply. The eyeshadows are very pigmented. I might do a video, like a review video on them, but yeah, eyeshadows are very pigmented. Even the mattes and shimmers blend in really well. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. I have used this quite a few times, and if you're a beginner, if you want to just try out Mars eyeshadows, I would highly recommend you to try these ones, as people use a lot of natural shades as well. Next up on the topic of eyes, let's move on to mascara. Now this is a new find. I did work with Face Shop. I think this was in September or October, and they sent me the Face Shop Freshion by Mascara. I don't know what it is. I'll link it down below, but they sent me this mascara, and oh my god is what I will say. Now this one is for 400 rupees. Let me show you the wand of it. Look at it. It is very different, okay. If you have used this mascara, you will know what I'm talking about. Like it just separates your lashes, lengthens them, and curls them all at the same time. I genuinely was shocked when I saw this, because Face Shop is known for like skincare, but honestly this is such a underrated purchase. I highly recommend these. I reach to this more than my Maybelline mascaras, and my Maybelline mascaras are one of my favorites, but this has topped that. So I mean, highly I would recommend you to try it out. Next up, I have the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and this is how it looks. It has a spoolie on one end and a brow product on the other. Now as you can see, I have like thick brows, but sometimes I just need to micromanage them, and this is in the shade like brown color, okay. This is brown, and one of the great things about this brow product is that, you know, it is like retractable, like this, and it is brown in color, and also it is not extremely pigmented, okay. Sometimes if you go in with a heavy hand, you might just look like a raccoon or something like that. You'll just have like these unibrows unless you are going for the trend, but you know, you might just go too far if you don't want it. But one of the fact I love about this is that it is not extremely pigmented. You just have to go, you know, little bit, and then the spoolie is on the other end, and I just do this. And as you can see, I do not need a lot of brow product, and for that this is perfect. This is for rupees 250 only. Honestly, I love this. This is one of my absolute favorite brow products. Even though I don't use too many brow products, I feel like this one is a really good one. Now I know you are tired of me talking about my current, like all-time favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, but I'm not going to mention that today. I have the Duo palette, the Duo Bite Size Face Duo palette, Face Duo Bite Size palette. I don't remember the name, but yeah, this is the Duo palette from e.l.f. This is how it looks, and I don't know the variant number of it. Great. So I got this one in PR. Okay, I think it is called as lychee. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is how it looks. It is very tiny and bite-sized, which is one of the favorite reasons, you know, why I love it. And also this shade is so like muted. Like the blush is extremely muted yet pigmented, okay. It looks really good, and the combo goes in really well. It ties in so freaking good to the, you know, like these both go in really well. Or sometimes what happens is that you apply this and then this doesn't go really well. And the highlighter, oh my god, look at that. It is pigmented, like it is pigmented. I honestly love this one. Ever since I got this, I was so freaking happy, and I've used this so much. And the price of this is rupees 400. So you get a highlighter and a blush shade as well. Extremely travel friendly. It can fit into your bag, purse, your mini bag, pouch as well. Now lastly, let's move on to the lipsticks. Now I have two of them. So the first one is Inside Cosmetics non-transfer matte lipstick. I have actually created a video on them with all the review and swatches, and I love these lipsticks. These are so freaking good, like so good. Once you apply it, it just does not transfer. Does not transfer. It is water resistant. If you just put a tissue or a mask, it is not going to come off. I have reviewed these. I love the packaging as well. It's like basic, but it's fine. I've talked about this in the video. Let me just show you one swatch. This is in the shade 16 Mood. Look at this. Oh my god. I love this lipstick so much. It glides on like butter, stays on amazing matte. So freaking good. I honestly recommend this to you. And the price of this is for rupees 250 only. These are highly underrated. Like I highly think these are so underrated, but yeah, everyone should give it a go. I have I think 6 shades, and one of my favorite ones is Checkmate, Dagger, and yeah, and again Mood as well. This is the one. And last lipstick which I love under rupees 500 is the Lakme Matte Melt Mini Lipsticks. Again, I've done a review video on them and swatches as well. This is how it looks if you haven't seen it. I have all the versions of them. This is for 400 rupees, but one of the shade which I absolutely love is Nude Umbrella or Pink Umbrella. And this is Brown Souvenir. So Brown Souvenir is a classic neutral tone shade. Look at this. This is a perfect chocolatey shade. These go on so amazingly, so buttery. Not like buttery, but like these are liquid lipsticks, so they go on really well. They stay on really well. They don't dry your lips extremely, which is what I love about these lipsticks. So yeah, I highly recommend these. That was it, you guys. Those were my favorite makeup products of 2021 under rupees 500. Let me know if you have used any one of these in the comments down below, and make sure to check my other videos which are makeup related, best skincare of 2021, best makeup of 2021, all of that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.